your ideal healthy weight is around 180 pounds. Well, this meal plan is going to give you the amount of protein, calories, and carbs and everything that you need to get down to this healthy 180 pounds. So for breakfast, you could do 3 eggs with 3 ounces of ham scrambled in it with some veggies. For your lunch, you could do 6 ounces of protein with some kind of salad and 2 tablespoons of full fat dressing. And when I say 6 ounces of protein, again, it could be tuna fish or red meat. It could be a burger. A snack in the mid-afternoon would be a protein shake of about 30 to 40 grams of protein worth. And I would suggest either some kind of whey protein or a beef protein isolate. I like the brand Equip is nice. And then for dinner would be 8 ounces of fish or pork chop or steak or chicken and some kind of salad with that and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or 2 to 4 tablespoons of a full fat salad dressing.